This video explains how to create items to sell in your Charms online store. If you haven't already, you may want to watch the overview and basic setup test videos for the Charms online store. Remember the difference between a main item and its styles. Also remember that only one photo can be linked to each main item. Before you create your main items, you should do some planning. First, you should already have your style descriptors entered in the color and size screens in the basic setup area. Second, you should already have uploaded your photos in the basic setup area. Third, you should make a reference list of each item you want to sell on your Charms online store. This will help make sure you don't forget any items as you build your store. Part 1 explains how to create your main items. To get to the Store Items screen, select the red cart icon. Select the Store Items black tab. Remember that on the basic setup screens, you had to decide whether you would have one photo to represent multiple colors or a separate photo for each color. If you opted for separate photos, you'll want to create a separate main item for each color. In this example, we'll show you how to create a main item that has both size and color options, with one picture to represent all styles. Select the plus icon to add a new item. On the Create Item screen, enter the item number. This can be whatever item numbering sequence you care to use. We suggest including a code to describe the type of item, such as TS0001 for a t-shirt. Try using the same number of digits for all item numbers to make report sorting easier. Enter a title for the item. The title will show next to the photo in the online store. If the main item has a particular color pattern that is different than another main item of the same type, consider including that color or pattern descriptor in the title. In this case, our t-shirt color choices will be part of the main item option because we have a photo available that actually shows the various colors. Enter a description. The description will show after the photo and title of the item in the online store. The description can include as much information as you need. For example, limit of 2 per order, or back orders allowed, or delivery in mid-March. The sequence number controls the order of how your main items are listed in your store, starting with 0. You may want to group all similar main items together in your store by giving them the same sequence number. Items with the same sequence number will be listed alphanumerically by title. Enter your sequence number. Remember that you can use the My Store screen later to check the appearance of your store. You can edit the sequence number later if necessary. If you want to restrict the quantity of a main item style that can be purchased per order, set Limit Purchase to Yes. When you do this, a maximum quantity field appears. Enter the maximum number a customer can purchase in one order for this item. The maximum quantity will apply to all styles for this item. If there are no restrictions on quantity, leave this set to No. Now, enter your sales tax rate in percent. For 7.5%, you will enter 7.50, not 0.075. If it is a non-taxable item, simply enter 0 in this field. When all of the main item information is correct, select Setup Item. Now you are ready to add styles and pricing options for your main item. Notice the blue Add Styles Availability area below your main item. You'll need to fill out the extra information for every size or color option available for this main item. First, enter the sequence number. This determines the order in which the styles are listed on the Purchase Selection window. If all styles have the same sequence number, they will list alphanumerically. Select the color option from the drop-down list. Select the size option from the drop-down list. If you don't have the color or size option you need, you'll need to return to the basic setup area to create them. Enter how many of this style you have in stock initially for inventory control. Enter the price for this style. Select Add. Repeat to add the remaining styles for this main item. Notice that after the first style is created, the stock quantity and the price autofill with the same values for the rest of the styles you create. This information is different for any of your entries. Simply change it. In the Styles Availability area, the styles you have entered are listed. You can modify any of the information if necessary, as well as indicate whether back orders are allowed for the item when it is out of stock. If you want to remove a style, select Yes for the Remove button. When you have finished adding styles for this item, select Save Next to attach a photo. You can select Save if you are editing or if there is no photo. Now find the photo you wish to attach to this main item from the list of photos. Choose the Select button for that photo. Then select Attach Image to Item. Congratulations, you have added your main item with all of its styles. Click the My Store tab to see how your main items are being displayed to your shoppers. You can make adjustments to this sequence by editing the main item. If you have any questions about this procedure, please review this video again. Check the help files or contact us by email, phone, or Mr. Blinky. We're happy to help. Please see our other training videos on viewing and modifying your store or on how to process orders received from your shoppers. And be sure to check out our library of videos for help with other Charms Office procedures.